If you're experiencing issues with account sync in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and set up your account correctly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can often resolve sync problems. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. Log out of your EA account in the game launcher and then log back in. This can refresh your account connection and may fix any sync issues. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly. Step 4. Clear cache files. Clearing the cache files can help resolve various issues. Navigate to the Sims 4 folder in your documents, find the cache folder, and delete its contents. Restart the game afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact the EA support. If the problem continues, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or identify if there are any ongoing issues with the servers. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or EA support. Happy gaming!